What if you could start making $500 a day online with zero experience and no upfront investment? It's more realistic than you think if you follow the right steps. In this video, I'll reveal the exact strategies that work in 2025 for total beginners. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more real online income methods that anyone can start. Let's get started. 1. Start with high-demand niches. Do not chase random trends. Focus on markets where people already spend money every day. Look into evergreen topics: fitness, finance, relationships, tech, or home improvement niches. These niches have endless content opportunities and offer consistent buyer interest long-term. Use Google Trends and YouTube search to find what people look for often and consistently. A focused niche helps you create content, offers, and products without confusing your audience. You do not need expertise, just research common questions and build content around solutions. Niches with pain points convert better because people actively seek quick and trusted fixes. Stay away from saturated trends unless you can offer a unique angle that still solves problems. 2. Use free traffic sources. You do not need ads to earn. Free platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest drive traffic. Create content that answers questions, solves problems, and encourages viewers to take action. Start with one platform, master it. Consistency and quality matter more than going viral once. Use keywords people are searching for. This makes your content show up where it matters most. YouTube is especially powerful because it works as both a search engine and content library. Short-form content on TikTok or YouTube Shorts can go viral and bring fast exposure. Pinterest works well for niches like DIY, travel, food, and productivity. Drives link clicks fast. Optimize profiles with call to actions and links to your landing pages or affiliate offers. 3. Build simple landing pages. A landing page helps you collect emails or promote offers. Start with free tools like ConvertKit. Use clear headlines, short descriptions, and a call to action to guide visitors to your goal. Keep it simple. Offer a free checklist, ebook, or guide in exchange for an email address. This builds a list you own. Unlike social media, email contacts are not controlled by algorithms. You do not need to write code, just drag, drop, and customize free templates in mobile apps. Use email marketing tools to send automated welcome emails and daily value-filled content. Each email can include affiliate offers, links to content, or product promotions that earn daily. One landing page can grow an audience, collect leads, and bring consistent daily sales. 4. Promote affiliate offers. Affiliate marketing means you earn commission by promoting other people's products online. You do not need to create products, handle shipping, or deal with customer service issues. Find products related to your niche. Promote only items that truly help your target audience. Use your free traffic sources to share product tutorials, comparisons, or how-to guides. Include your unique affiliate links in descriptions, landing pages, and email sequences. Each click and sale can earn passive income as long as your content continues to rank. Pick recurring affiliate programs. These pay you monthly for each customer you bring in. You can start with one good product, then scale up as your traffic and content grows. 5. Repurpose content to multiply reach. One piece of content can be reused on multiple platforms to boost visibility and traffic fast. You do not need to make new content daily, just reshape what you already made wisely. Repurposing increases your chances of reaching people with different platform preferences. Add your links everywhere: captions, bios, first comments, and end cards for exposure. Consistency becomes easier when you repurpose instead of starting from scratch every time. More content equals more traffic. More traffic equals more affiliate sales and leads per day. Batch content creation on weekends, then schedule daily posts using free content tools. Smart creators work once and publish everywhere. Recycling content creates compounding value. This method turns 1 hour of work into a full week of automated exposure and income. 6. Use digital products. You can create ebooks, guides, or templates once and sell them online with zero extra cost. Free tools like Google Docs or Canva let you design simple, helpful digital products fast. Offer solutions checklists, planners, workbooks, or how-to guides in your chosen niche. Promote your product on social media, YouTube, or through email. Attach value to every link. Use your landing page to collect leads and present the product after opt-in for higher trust. These can be bundled with affiliate offers or bonuses for even more profit per sale. Each sale is 100% profit, no shipping, no handling, and no inventory required. You can improve the product over time based on feedback and make it evergreen forever. This is how beginners earn daily with no budget. Create once, sell forever, improve monthly. 7. Create value-based videos. People search YouTube and TikTok daily for answers. Make helpful videos and monetize them. You do not need to show your face. Screen recordings, voiceovers, or slideshows work well. Focus on tutorials, listicles, comparisons, or problem-solving videos in your niche. Hook the viewer in the first 3 seconds and deliver real solutions to keep them engaged. Add your links in the description and tell viewers what action to take after watching. Videos keep getting views for months and earn you sales without constant effort. You do not need fancy gear, just clarity, value, and consistency in how you deliver help. Faceless channels are growing fast. They earn daily even when the creator is offline. Start with short videos and learn the format, then go longer as you grow in confidence. One viral video can change your income fast. Just keep posting, testing, and improving. 8. Automate with free tools. Automation helps you earn while you sleep. Schedule posts, emails, and sales processes easily. You can schedule social media content, automate email series, or tag buyers with triggers. No coding skills needed, just drag, drop, and activate pre-built automation templates. This saves time and multiplies your reach while you work, rest, or travel without worry. Even basic automation increases daily results because your system runs 24 hours daily. Start simple. Automate welcome emails or daily value emails for your list with product links. Automated responses help you stay connected without being glued to your device non-stop. Create a weekly content flow and use scheduling tools to post consistently across platforms. 9. Join creator communities. You do not need to build alone. Find online groups that support digital income and creation. Facebook groups, Discord servers, and Reddit forums are full of like-minded beginner creators. Ask questions, share wins, get feedback, and learn from others doing what you aim to do. These groups often share tools, templates, and tutorials that speed up your learning curve. You may find collaborators, mentors, and accountability partners who help you grow faster. Avoid spammy groups. Look for spaces where members engage, help, and share real results. You can also build your own mini-community around your niche and audience with time. Your network determines your growth. Who you learn from matters more than what you know. Engaging in conversations leads to more exposure, insights, and personal brand growth too. 10. Focus on one funnel. Trying too many things at once slows your growth. Master one content funnel to scale income. Choose a platform, build a lead magnet, promote one offer, and send follow-up emails daily. Do not jump between strategies. Refine one proven system until it produces consistent results. This approach lets you test headlines, links, and messages without spreading too thin. Each improvement to your funnel increases income. Even small tweaks boost daily profits. Track what works, what converts, and what needs to be removed or improved step by step. A single funnel that runs well can easily make $100, $300, even $500 daily with time. Once stable, replicate it in new niches or offers with the same system you already built. You do not need complexity, just solve problems, follow up, and offer consistent value. Funnels remove guesswork. They guide visitors from curiosity to action automatically. You don't need a fancy resume or a big budget, just action and the right game plan. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly income ideas. passive earning strategies, and ways to grow online without upfront costs. Stay tuned for more ways to start earning today.